Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning. Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn product mix decisions.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on marketing management. Today we are going to understand product mix. As we have seen earlier, product can be said as anything which can be sold in the market, I mean to say can satisfy a need or want and has market value. A product mix, also called as product assortment, is the set of all products and items a particular seller offers for sale. A product mix is the assortment of product lines and individual offerings available from a marketer. Its two primary components are product line and individual offerings. Product line can be said as a series of related products. Single products are individual offerings. Product mixes are assessed in terms of length, width, depth, and consistency. For example, an organization's product mix consists of tobacco products, biscuit products, and cosmetic products. That means they are three lines of that organization's product mix. If you look to the length, width, depth, and consistency of product mix, one by one, we can say the length of a product mix refers to the total number of items in the mix. We can also talk about the average length of a line. This is obtained by dividing the total length by the number of lines or an average product length. Next, if we say about width, the width of a product mix refers to how many product lines the mix has. I mean to say, we have seen the length. Now we are looking to the width. Width means how many product lines. Width means the looking horizontal, here and here. Well, for example, if an organization sells cosmetics, food products and bathing products, the width of the product mix can be said as 3. That is cosmetics, food products and bathing products. The depth of the product mix refers to variants which are offered for each product in the line. If a product comes in 2 scents, 2 formulations and 2 additives, that product has a depth of 8, as there are 8 distinct variants which are available. Depth can be measured in terms of total weight too. I mean to say the size of the product too. The average depth of a company's product mix can be calculated by averaging the number of variants within the brand groups. The consistency of the product mix refers to how closely related the various product lines are in end use, production requirements, distribution channels, or some other way. A company's product lines are consistent insofar as they are consumer goods that perform same or similar functions for consumers and go through the same distribution channels. The lines are less consistent insofar as they perform different functions for the buyers and go through different distribution channels. So in product mix, we have understood the definition of product and product mix. We have understood that two primary components, product line and single products, can be sold by the organization as a part of product mix. We have seen the length of the product mix, that is what is the total items in the mix. We have seen the width of the product mix. It means how many product lines the product mix has. We have also seen the depth of the product mix. It means the variants in which you can say the products are available. And we have also seen the consistency, means how much consistent the product lines are there with each other. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.